In the vast landscape of business software, two names frequently appear in discussions about improving efficiency and managing operations: Sage and Salesforce. While both offer powerful tools designed to help businesses thrive, it's a common misconception to think they are interchangeable or offer the same core functionalities. As a project management expert, I often encounter teams trying to understand which platform best suits their needs. Therefore, it's crucial to clarify that Sage and Salesforce are not the same. They cater to distinct primary functions, although some overlap exists and integrations can bridge certain gaps. To understand their differences, let's delve into their core strengths and primary focuses. Sage, the financial foundation. At its heart, Sage is fundamentally an accounting and financial management software. Its origins, as we discussed previously, lie in providing wise accounting solutions for businesses, particularly small and medium-sized enterprises, SMBs. Over the years, Sage has evolved to offer a comprehensive suite of financial tools, including general ledger, managing the core financial records of a business; accounts payable, AP tracking and managing payments to suppliers; accounts receivable, AR managing invoices and payments from customers; payroll, processing employee salaries, wages, and deductions; inventory management, tracking stock levels and managing inventory flow; financial reporting, generating crucial financial statements like balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements; budgeting and forecasting, creating and managing budgets, as well as predicting future financial performance. 1. reinaharano.xblog.jp. reinaharano.xblog.jp. Compliance management, helping businesses adhere to financial regulations and reporting requirements. Sage's strength lies in providing a robust and reliable system for managing the financial health of a business. It's designed to ensure accuracy, compliance, and provides the insights needed for sound financial decision-making. For project managers, Sage can be invaluable for tracking project costs, managing budgets allocated to different projects, and generating financial reports related to project profitability. It provides the necessary financial backbone to understand the economic viability and performance of projects. Salesforce, the customer-centric engine. In contrast, Salesforce is primarily a customer relationship management (CRM) platform. Its core focus is on helping businesses manage their interactions and relationships with current and potential customers. Salesforce provides a centralized platform to streamline sales processes, marketing efforts, and customer service operations. Key features of Salesforce include Sales Cloud, managing sales leads, opportunities, accounts, and contacts, as well as automating sales workflows. Service Cloud, providing tools for managing customer support inquiries, case management, and knowledge bases. Marketing Cloud, enabling businesses to plan, execute, and analyze marketing campaigns across various channels. App Exchange, a marketplace for third-party applications that extend the functionality of the Salesforce platform. Analytics, providing tools for data analysis, reporting, and gaining insights into customer behavior and sales performance. Sales Forecasting, predicting future sales based on current opportunities and historical data. Salesforce excels at providing a 360-degree view of the customer. It helps businesses build stronger relationships, improve customer satisfaction, and drive sales growth. For project managers, Salesforce can be crucial for managing client relationships throughout a project lifecycle, tracking communication, and ensuring client satisfaction. It helps in understanding the customer context and aligning project delivery with client expectations. Key differences summarized. To further clarify, here's a breakdown of the fundamental distinctions. Primary focus: Sage centers on financial management and accounting, while Salesforce focuses on customer relationship management. Core functionality: Sage's core lies in managing financial transactions and reporting, whereas Salesforce's core lies in managing customer interactions and sales processes. Target audience: while both can be used by businesses of various sizes, Sage has historically had a strong presence in the SMB market for accounting needs, while Salesforce caters to a broader range, often with more scalable solutions for larger enterprises in sales and customer management. Data managed: Sage primarily deals with financial data, such as invoices, payments, and expenses. Salesforce primarily manages customer data, such as contact information, sales interactions, and support tickets, overlaps, and integrations. While their primary functions differ, there are areas where Sage and Salesforce can overlap or integrate to provide a more holistic business management solution. For instance, integration for financial visibility. Businesses can integrate Salesforce with Sage to gain better financial visibility related to sales activities. This could involve syncing invoice data from Sage into Salesforce or providing sales teams with real-time credit information. Customer data in financial systems. Some Sage solutions might offer basic CRM functionalities, such as managing customer contact information, although these are typically less comprehensive than Salesforce's offerings. Reporting and analytics. Both platforms offer reporting capabilities, but Sage's focuses on financial reports, while Salesforce's focuses on sales, marketing, and customer service metrics. Integrations can sometimes bridge these reporting gaps.